Hey everybody, my name is Gio, and today I wanted to shed light on the valley oak, an endemic species of oak to California, and in my opinion, one of the most beautiful. The valley oak ranges from Northern California all the way down to San Diego, but is most commonly found within the Central Valley. I'm here down at the village today since it's one of the easiest places nearby where we can find this tree. Although they aren't the larger specimens, they're super easily accessible, and I suggest that you guys take some time to check them out. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty about the valley oak. The valley oak is a member of the Fabaceae family, which includes trees like beeches, chestnuts, and oak trees. Its scientific name is Quercus lobata, lobata translating to lobed. It gets this name from its heavily lobed leaves that differentiate it from the coast live oak. Another distinction that this tree has to the coast live oak is that it's deciduous. For the valley oak, this means losing its leaves in the fall time. The main mode of dispersal for the valley oak is acorns, which are also spread during the fall time. Now that I've gone over some basic information about the valley oak, I wanted to talk about what really makes this tree interesting. The first thing about the valley oak that stands out to me are the galls that are found on some trees. Now these galls aren't formed naturally and are actually induced by the presence of the California gall wasp. When the wasp lands on a valley oak twig, it produces an enzyme that the tree responds to by forming a protective layer. These wasps then use the gall to protect their larvae. Another beautiful relationship that this tree has with our native organisms is with the acorn woodpecker. The acorn woodpecker often picks up acorns from all oaks and will just jam them into any piece of wood that it can find. I also wanted to talk a second about the relationship that California Native Americans had with the valley oak. Acorns were often used to make acorn bread, and they themselves had some medicinal properties as they were often used to relieve coughs. The galls were also used to treat wounds and eliminate infections on recent wounds. Bark was used in a tonic that was used to alleviate fever symptoms. And the Miwok tribe used the leaves and stems to make a tonic that would alleviate respiratory ailments such as bronchitis, asthma, and coughs. I also wanted to talk about the main threat to valley oaks, which is development. All around the state, development is occurring at a rapid pace, which is upending ecosystems at their core. This is why in 2001, the state legislators signed the California Oak Woodland Conservation Act, which aims to provide funding to private landowners, conservation organizations, cities, and counties to help preserve our native oak woodland. The majority of the money goes to purchasing land and revegetation projects. A small portion of it is dedicated to public outreach about our native oak woodland. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I've inspired all of you guys to go outside and look for one of these beautiful trees yourselves.